Today's class is about malignant skin lesions. Malignant skin lesions. Skin cancers are cancers that arise from the skin. They are due to the development of abnormal cells that have the ability to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Types of malignant skin lesions. There are three main types of skin cancers. First one, basal cell skin cancer. Second one, squamous cell skin cancer and melanoma. The first two, along with a number of less common skin cancers, are known as non-melanoma skin cancer, and the other type is melanoma. Introduction of skin cancers. Basal cell cancer grows slowly and can damage the tissue around it, but it is unlikely to spread to distant areas or result in death. It often appears as a painless, raised area of skin that may be shiny with small blood vessels running over it, or may be present as a raised area with an ulcer. Squamous cell carcinomas are more likely to spread. It usually presents as a hard lump with a scaly top, but may also form an ulcer. Melanomas are the most aggressive. Signs include a mole that has changed in size, shape, color, has irregular edges, has more than one color, is itchy or bleeds. Causes of malignant skin lesions. Ultraviolet radiation from sun exposure is the primary environmental cause of skin cancer. This can occur in professions such as farming. Other risk factors that play a role include light skin color, age, smoking, tobacco. HPV infections increase the risk of squamous cell skin cancer. Some genetic syndrome, including congenital melanocytic Nevi syndrome, which is characterized by the presence of nevi, that is birthmarks or moles of varying size, which are either present at birth or appear within 6 months of birth. Nevi larger than 20 mm, that is 3/4 inch in size, are at higher risk for becoming cancerous. Now we will discuss each type in detail. First one is basal cell skin cancer. Basal cell skin cancer. Basal cell skin cancer usually present as a raised, smooth, pearly bump on the sun exposed skin of the head, neck, torso or shoulders. Sometimes small blood vessels called telangiectasia can be seen within the tumor. Basal cell carcinoma is also known as rodent ulcer. Here in this picture you can see basal cell carcinoma. Rusting and bleeding in the center of the tumor frequently develops. It is often mistaken for a sore that does not heal. This form of skin cancer is the least deadly and with proper treatment can be completely eliminated, often without significant scarring. Next is squamous cell skin cancer. It is commonly a red scaling, thickened patch on sun exposed skin. They are firm, hard nodules and dome shaped like keratoacanthomas. In some cases, ulceration and bleeding may occur. Here in this, you can see some pictures of squamous cell skin cancer. When squamous cell cancer is not treated, it may develop into a large mass. Squamous cell is the second most common skin cancer. It is dangerous, but not nearly as dangerous as melanomas. Third type is melanoma. Most melanoma consist of various colors from shades of brown to black. A small number of melanomas are pink, red or fleshy in color. These are called a melanotic melanoma and tend to be more aggressive. These are some pictures of malignant melanoma. Warning signs of malignant melanoma include change in the size, shape, color, or elevation of a mole. Other signs are the appearance of a new mole during adulthood or pain, itching, ulceration, redness around the site, or bleeding at the site. Most often mnemonic is A, B, C, D, E, where A is for asymmetrical, B for borders which are irregular. That sign is known as cause of mind sign. C for color. Color is variegated color. D for diameter. Diameter greater than 6 mm as the size of a pencil eraser. And E for evolving. Diagnosis of malignant skin lesions is by biopsy and histopathological examination. Non-invasive skin cancer detection methods include photography, dermoscopy, sonography, confocal microscopy, Raman spectroscopy, fluorescence spectroscopy, tetrahed spectroscopy, optical coherence tomography, the multispectrum imaging technique, thermography, electrical bioimpedance, tape stripping, and computer-aided analysis. Prevention of malignant skin lesions. Sunscreen is effective and recommended to prevent melanoma and squamous cell carcinoma. Avoid sunburning, wearing protective clothing, sunglass, hats, and attempting to avoid sun exposure or periods of peak exposure. It is recommended that people between 9 to 25 years of age be advised to avoid ultraviolet light. Treatment of malignant skin lesions. Treatment is depend on the specific type of cancer, location of the cancer, age of the person, and whether the cancer is primary or a recurrence. In the case of an elderly frail man with multiple complicating medical problems, a difficult to excise basal cell cancer of the nose might warrant radiation therapy, slightly lower cure rate, or no treatment at all. Topical chemotherapy might be indicated for large superficial basal cell carcinoma for good cosmetic outcome, whereas it might be inadequate for invasive nodular basal cell carcinoma or invasive squamous cell carcinoma. In general, melanoma is poorly responsive to radiation or chemotherapy. Thank you.